Hello viewers, do you like this video? Now want to purchase this car? If you want, you can definitely purchase this toy version of Mercedes Benz from M Toys World. I have provided the contact number and address of this shop on the screen. Even you can check the description box also. Of course, you can get home delivery through courier service. Thank you so much for watching this video.